The world is changing at an incredible pace. Today and in the future, we need ever smarter infrastructure that will help power our cities, connect industries, and provide us with safe and secure places to live, work, and play. But increasingly, this infrastructure needs to operate in ever-challenging environments. Assets like bridges, oil rigs, and skyscrapers are constantly under attack from their surroundings, including water, oxygen, sunlight, heat, and chemicals. This can cause corrosion and leave them looking unsightly, and costs the global economy trillions of dollars each year. At Hempel, we can make a difference. With over 100 years' experience in specialty coatings, we play a vital role in safeguarding these valuable assets, helping to reduce maintenance costs and keep them looking good for longer. In areas of high corrosion, we have redefined standards in protection. Where color retention is critical, we are finding new ways to prevent the fading effect of the sun. To make buildings safer, we are producing passive fire protection coatings that are designed to insulate steel structures from extreme heat. And to meet our customers' need for more responsible and efficient products, we offer environmentally friendly primers and enamels that are setting new standards within our industry. With offices and stock points across the globe, ISO-certified production units and extensive R&D centers, as well as a large group of local coatings advisors, we can be trusted to meet your needs wherever you are in the world. Speak to us today about how we can help you achieve more and protect your most valuable assets. Hempel.